I will show how to buy shares of Evli Oyj, the Finnish asset manager Evli Oyj, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker EVLI.HE. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy stocks, and I use eToro here as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EVLI.HE to find the Evli Oyj listing. Make sure you select the result that matches the CBOE EU market. Open the asset page to read the company summary and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct Evli Oyj share. Check the basic details and listing information. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the broker link is in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.